Did you know there's a powerful health secret hidden in your kitchen? It's not a fancy gadget or an expensive superfood. It's something far simpler and incredibly accessible. This unassuming champion is none other than a clove of garlic. Stick around, because in this video, we're diving deep into the fascinating chemistry of garlic and uncovering how it works wonders in your body. Garlic has been celebrated for centuries, not just for its flavor, but for its remarkable health benefits. But what makes this humble bulb so special? The secret lies in its chemistry. When you slice, crush, or chop garlic, it triggers a chain reaction that releases potent compounds. These compounds are the key to garlic's health-boosting powers. Curious to know what these compounds are and how they work their magic? Well, get ready, because we're about to reveal the science behind garlic's extraordinary effects on your health. Let's start with the star of the show, allicin. Allicin is an organic sulfur compound that forms when garlic is chopped or crushed. This compound is responsible for the pungent smell of garlic, but more importantly, it's packed with health benefits. Here's how allicin works wonders in your body. Number 1. Immune boosting. Have you ever wondered why garlic is often recommended when you're feeling under the weather? It's because allicin has powerful antimicrobial properties. Imagine allicin as a tiny warrior fighting off the bad guys in your body, like bacteria and viruses. One fascinating study showed that regular consumption of garlic could reduce the number of colds by 63% and cut the length of cold symptoms by 70%. So next time you feel a sniffle coming on, consider adding more garlic to your meals. 2. Anti-inflammatory. Garlic's anti-inflammatory properties come from its sulfur compounds, which can reduce inflammation in the body. Inflammation is a common underlying factor in many chronic diseases, such as arthritis and heart disease. Think of garlic as a natural pain reliever. For example, garlic oil can be used to soothe sore joints and muscles. Simply rub a little garlic oil on the affected area and feel the relief. This natural remedy is even backed by the Arthritis Foundation, which suggests that garlic oil can help prevent cartilage damage caused by arthritis. 3. Heart health. Did you know that garlic can help your heart stay strong and healthy? When our red blood cells interact with the sulfur in garlic, they create hydrogen sulfide gas. This gas helps expand our blood vessels, making it easier for blood to flow and reducing blood pressure. A study found that garlic supplementation can reduce blood pressure in individuals with hypertension by as much as 10%. It's like giving your heart a gentle hug, helping it to work more efficiently. However, always consult your doctor before making any changes to your medication regimen. 4. Antioxidant power. Garlic is a powerhouse of antioxidants, which help protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage your cells and contribute to aging and diseases like cancer. By incorporating garlic into your diet, you're giving your body a natural defense system against these harmful molecules. Antioxidants in garlic can also boost the activity of other antioxidants in your body, creating a stronger shield against oxidative stress. 5. Antimicrobial action. Garlic's antimicrobial properties make it an effective natural remedy for various infections. It can kill harmful bacteria, fungi, and viruses. For instance, garlic can combat the bacteria that cause food poisoning, such as Salmonella and E. coli. Imagine garlic as a miniature superhero swooping in to vanquish these villainous organisms. However, it's essential to remember that garlic's antimicrobial action is not a replacement for proper food sanitation and safe food handling practices. 6. Cancer prevention. Some studies suggest that regular consumption of garlic can lower the risk of certain cancers, such as colon and stomach cancer. This is because garlic's sulfur compounds can inhibit the growth of cancer cells and reduce oxidative stress. For example, a study involving over 41,000 women found that those who regularly included garlic in their diet had a 35% lower risk of developing colon cancer. By adding garlic to your meals, you're not just enhancing the flavor, but also potentially protecting yourself from serious diseases. The benefits of garlic aren't limited to just allicin. Garlic also contains other bioactive compounds, like diallyl disulfide and S-allyl cysteine, each contributing to its health-promoting properties. Together, these compounds create a powerful synergy that makes garlic a true health champion. Here's a bonus tip. Did you know that how you prepare your garlic can impact its health benefits? To maximize the allicin content, let your chopped or crushed garlic sit for about 10 minutes before cooking. This allows the enzymes to activate and release more allicin. And when cooking, add garlic towards the end to preserve its potency. Hey, want to hear some cool historical and cultural significance of garlic? Garlic has a rich history and cultural significance. The ancient Egyptians used garlic for its medicinal properties and even placed it in the tombs of pharaohs. Greek athletes consumed garlic before competitions to enhance their performance. In many cultures, garlic has been used to ward off evil spirits and as a powerful healing agent. This historical context adds to the mystique and value of garlic in our diets today. Now moving on to some practical tips for incorporating garlic into your diet. 1. Simple recipes. Garlic butter. Mix softened butter with minced garlic and fresh herbs. Spread it on bread or melt it over vegetables. Roasted garlic. Roast whole garlic bulbs in the oven until they're soft and caramelized. Spread the creamy garlic on toast or mix it into mashed potatoes. Garlic-infused salad dressing. Whisk together olive oil, lemon juice, minced garlic, and a touch of honey for a delicious and healthy salad dressing. 2. Garlic in beverages. Detox drink. Combine warm water, lemon juice, and minced garlic for a morning detox drink that can boost your immune system. Garlic tea. Steep crushed garlic in hot water. Add a bit of honey and lemon for a soothing and health-boosting tea. Let's address some common concerns that people have. 1. Garlic breath. To manage garlic breath, try chewing fresh parsley or mint leaves after eating garlic. Drinking green tea can also help neutralize the odor. 2. Digestive issues. If raw garlic causes digestive discomfort, try cooking it lightly or combining it with other foods to make it gentler on your stomach. Next, let's chat about choosing and storing garlic. 1. Selecting garlic. When choosing garlic, look for firm, plump bulbs with dry, papery skin. Avoid garlic that feels soft or has started to sprout. 2. Storing garlic. Store garlic in a cool, dry place with good air circulation. A mesh bag or a garlic keeper can help extend its shelf life. Avoid storing garlic in the refrigerator, as it can cause the bulbs to sprout. So what about garlic supplements? 1. Supplement forms. Garlic supplements come in various forms, including garlic oil capsules, aged garlic extract, and garlic powder. Each form has its own benefits and uses. 2. Choosing supplements. When choosing garlic supplements, look for products that have been standardized to contain a specific amount of allicin or other active compounds. Always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any supplement regimen to ensure it's appropriate for your health needs. Have you experienced the benefits of garlic firsthand? Do you have a favorite garlic recipe? Share your stories in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. If you found this video enlightening, give it a thumbs up and hit that like button. Your support helps us bring more fascinating, fact-filled content straight to you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell so you won't miss out on any of our future videos. And hey, if you have a go-to garlic recipe that lets you harness these amazing benefits, share it in the comments below. We can't wait to read them. Thank you for watching, and catch you in the next video.